Oh God, guys, don't make me feel, hey, me go feel bad, you know. Hey, Chanel, cuss out me rotted, you know. Hey, Chanel, don't me, you know. Me say, LD, you know. Yesterday, me say, Chanel, cuss me, Chanel, cuss me, Chanel, cuss me like a dog. And LD, you know, me just take me just take it, cause me I say, my body. You get what me I say? So me I say, like how we call it.
Yeah.
You understand?
Them say she
But
know what
take it
she a do.
easy.
Daniel, say my beg you will.
You see she know what she a do, man.
Me beg away from man and can't get it. She know what she's
She know
doing.
what
Why
she a do.
nobody not believe that?
Know what she a
I
do.
let everybody
If
else
me
say.
see Kaje a run so and unsure, who's we for run up in him? TT.
You know, say that's why Jaga cussed me yesterday. Jaga cussed me yesterday and said, why
Yes,
me so
man, yes, man.
concerned? But the reason why I'm concerned, Eldino and Anna and Meka Boo, is because remember, my God, you have girl pitney too. I mean, no want nobody to look on it. She did on the live a ball. You did it on the live and cry.
Only ultrasound.
But Jesus Christ, and every certain day you have to turn to, you know. This a girl use her head until you literally can't see what she a do. She not have a style. TT is slow.
Yeah, brother.
So me just gotta wait for the test to come out. But me just have a strong
Yeah, Jaga never
feeling
cuss
do this for
me.
attention.
Go and take a test. Hear what? Hear me here yesterday when me dey on live and she dey on live. The people them come and tell me say, she a talk about belly and the youth a ask her how her belly looks so when she dey a river. So me I say, so I suck on me know say pregnant talk and make over there.
Guys,
So
everybody
me
talk,
talk
double
like
tap
him
chat.
ask her about pregnant and him
Thank you,
ask like
baby.
he go say,
Nick, thank
like
you.
he go say, so what? So what if she pregnant?
What you say?
You see me I say,
Like belly did not show, like look at belly a pop up.
that the dog I say yo, to her say yo, oh her belly looks a river yesterday. Say look like she and him reason half of the phone and she tell him everything because when I time in her voice note, like she had said to the crowd, like somebody asked you,
What
yo,
up, chat?
why him know? And she say, yo, him know everything about me. And me I say, so no more than she tell him everything.
Up the
But him can manipulate her, so you know must expect say more she go tell him everything about
Nick, thank
everything
you,
what
baby. Thank you for the money gun. But what I'm saying is, right? That means the last week when they didn't run one joke about getting pregnancy, that means I did true then. And they didn't run one joke one long time in the comment section. I come in for me and I say, TT pregnant, TT pregnant. And me I say, no, a lie. So me I wonder if I from this so the whole thing and then not talk, not talk, cause she said Dragon never want her to tell nobody.
Oh.
Oh, it a joke.
guys, 7 roses, chat. Seven roses, guys. Beg on some roses. No, nobody not use me now.
Guys,
Beg on some roses. Thank you, baby.
seven rows chat, guys, you know just hold on. The ball a roll I go there.
Guys,
We are gonna have the ball a roll. The ball a roll.
get the wheel now, guys.
Guys, you top of the screen.
Have a strong feeling.
You do a test, man. So you wait for the test, yeah?
Oh God, man.
Yeah.
No.
Have to do the test.
I know say me not lie too no. You know say yesterday when
Charm,
Jabas asked me
give it
about
to
the test.
speed.
Yeah.
You know say because to show me one test already LD now. You know say God no. Guys, triple chat, triple.
Use a triple.
Chat, use a triple chat.
Everybody.
Chat, use a triple. Thank you, baby. Nick, thank you, baby. Queen, thank you.
Guys, everybody.
Come on, chat. Use a triple. Use a triple. Use a triple. Use a triple.
Guys, guys.
Come on, chat. Money gun. Galaxy.
Everybody.
Take a sum on the triple chat.
Use a triple.
Blind phone them
Paula,
telling
get it out. Paula, thank you.
So yesterday, right, when Jabas asked me, you see, because she go show me a test, and I never want she feel embarrassed. You get me? So when Jabas asked me, right, me said to Jabas say, yeah man, she do the test.
Come guys.
Me just don't want nobody a dung pan her.
Guys, come guys.
Right? And that me a try to tell you, know. Yeah, me not lie too, no. Me never want nobody a dung pan the people, them girl people, they wanna feel say, you know much I wanna go over the pan her yesterday and dung pan her wicked. So that me I tell you say yesterday when me see everybody the pan her throat. And Jabas asked me the question, you know, because remember said Jabas thing, you know. So me say, yeah, Jabas man. She do the test.
You never want it anymore.
Me never want it, you get me? But when me I say to you now, sorry Anna, me kind of old, me not hear you Anna. Me know, me I say, no, Me hear say last night she did on the live and she a tell the boys, the kind of look a dirty batty boy there you see man, he come like some camouflage blood clot soldier shoe. Thank you, baby. You know you say me you say she and the boy over there, she a tell the boy say she not pregnant.
You will get black.
Yeah. Hey, Jabba.
Nah, talk until she get the wheel. Somebody can send Meka the wheel, please.
Meka, something say?
Yes. Can somebody please send Meka a wheel?
I don't like that.
Malicious, go and send her wheel.
Me need a vacation from the family.
I go send
Me need a vacation from the
Go
family.
over there, go send her the wheel.
Phone, everything. I need a vacation. If you just
Me send in some gift if you know what info.
Me I go runway. Me I go runway.
When you run, let me know. Me put Wilbert in a bag and me come in the front part.
Yeah, me I run away from the family. Yeah. So Meka, yes, you are something what we don't know about and you not tell we?
Meka must listen what I want when you not asleep.
Guys, send her everything. Send her everything. We don't want nothing. Send her everything we want here. Guys, anything we not give me here. Give me Kabu.
You know what here? You just send me wheel.
Thank you, baby, guys. Everybody, thank you so much. Guys, we really appreciate you. Anything you want to have, want to send it to Meka, but I want you and Meka, but obviously. You say if you don't come with something right, me I go run with me, I pack my bag.
Okay, big up yourself.
I'm leaving.
Okay, I didn't that.
A secret and you not tell me. This family no hold back on things. You're supposed to make me know something. Make me know. Hold on, make her watch his score. She says she want her score up. No problem. I want here. And you better come with something good. Me no want, guys, me say me I beg gonna go over Meka boo. I coulda want bun kitten. Gear it. You understand me? I coulda want rat.
Me not tell a lie. What me ever tell a lie?
What you know? You know something? You know something? Tamika, don't lie to me. You know something? Look at me. You know something?
I come my reading for free.
Because you know something.
Give me wheel and me tell you the truth.
There's a wheel. Forget it out of your mouth. You're supposed to tell me long time, so me have to boot you with a wheel. Meka, boy, don't play with me. Don't play with me. Don't play. I'm not playing. I'm not playing.
Oh, why you come doing mother treatment
Oh my God!
You get your wheel over there?
The wheel come right over your summer love. Thank you, baby. Watch your way purse there.
But me not tell no lie. Me not talk no. Me not get your wheel.
Very please. Very please. We are one family. One unit, one everything. One unit, one everything. Oh, Jesus. Make it come back up. Thank you, baby. Thank you.
I have voice note, you know.
You have voice note?
Yeah.
Meka, that is not nice. Me give you a follow. Thank you so much for the wheel. Guys, everybody, thank you.
Oh, not nice.
Why you don't know certain things where we're supposed to know and you hold back? All right, Meka, you get your score up. Okay. Okay. Meka, ready? Talk. Guys, if you go over there, go tell her so she get
to me. Ready now? Ready now? 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock.
Anna, you really?
What was the ear?
Yeah?
I really believe that she knows something and like she knows something. Look on her face. You know her.
One time Meka there, she a laugh at us sitting there and look. Where's Adina?
Come on, play no.
Do this now. People don't
Listen.
want to do this. The day when you go put on your teeth and anything there. When I take the picture and the video, and all that where you're blank out and you don't want to see everybody, all that.
Alright, Meka know who.
Look like man.
Now guys, me can't get one wheel.
Hey man, how the blood
Here, me that me I try to say.
Pause.
permission.
Elena, stop.
Miss Annie, we supposed to talk?
Why you cause blood cleat? I'm gonna tell you something. I want to hear the word out of your mouth about blood cleat.
I mistake.
Don't make me hear that again, yeah? Ready?
Talk?
Yeah.
Who fi talk?
Mommy here.
As soon 9 o'clock now, as soon
You
12.
talk. You get your wheel.
Alright, everybody tapping eyes. So now, you know. Yesterday, when we come off live, Titi called me and I cry. So we said, I want to her. She said, Jaga said, I'm not supposed to tell her because if me tell her, you're going to go back and tell your mother. So I said, girl, come on, I can talk to me. So she did that, she talk and she a ball. So now she tell me say she pregnant. And Jaga said, if dash her belly. So I said, oh, you feel listen to one man when I want to.
Thank you, baby. You can't beg
Phone drop, it's serious phone, it's serious. So now, basically, we didn't know she come. When she come, she said she kind of off.
She sick.
So now, when we are buying some clothes and everything, I mean, then I turn to Titi, I said, Titi, you sure you're pregnant? She said, yes. She have the test. So I said, alright then, you're going to show me the test. So now, basically now, she start coming, so she start feel uncomfortable. So I go around and ask her, say, if she good. She said no, because she always want to do this prank. And now she had the prank, and we see how Jaga react. We see if Jaga would have still want her, and if she did pregnant, if Jaga still have left Chanel, for she. So now, me say, show me test.
Me did tell you.
Yes, you know what Titi do? Titi right while look how pink something on the other side, but say me this one stick and the other one kind of dumb. Me say, below this girl put me in a trouble.
Tell your mommy.
Bring a girl down there, you know. You see there when me a do it.
No.
Oh, not talk about say, Misa. You see there when me a do it too. Jaga did it there.
Mommy, watch it good pum pum, not make it damage.
So I want to see Titi and Jaga. So Jaga continue lead and Titi and Chanel. And if you play party,
right, Titi, I tell you, no, why me not tell you?
That's when you can get to Jaga in time, my phone to ask for Jaga.
Laugh off of Chanel.
We
Jealous of Chanel. No matter how Chanel for it.
No man, that one you big.
Hey, come back, my sister. Call Zoe, make Zoe come and
why Tajay say, if you really, I believe Titi, because she bring this prank to Tajay.
Meka, tapping eyes. Meka, shut your mouth. Wait.
The past manipulation.
You never saw me laugh yesterday. Well, it was
see your brother, Meka, me see all your face expression. Look at me, I tell B, say me, I say, B, you know, so I feel like say that girl has set up something because
make it up.
Go over upon Chanel and Tajay page and I watch them. And I say she turn the phone to me and I like about. Look how Chanel look. I say, oh, Chanel look. Chanel sex. Why problem? You can't focus on your life right now. Me see the girl just in the phone. Me know see some prank thing, brother.
Wait, no, guys. Oh, God, me drop. Wait, no, man, don't take time with me, no, man. Jesus Christ, all my foot lick up. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Father God, help me, no, man.
Power tap on the screen. Guys, beg you to something on the first gifting points, please.
Right.
Alex.
Where my wheel?
Oh, give me a charger, quick.
You're ramping me, you know. Where my wheel? Oi.
That me as a LD, no. Wait,
LD not deserving wheel.
What my wheel, the chat?
Oh, wheel.
LD not deserving wheel, chat.
And we not a wheel.
Oi. We no push up his score.
LD not deserving wheel.
What up on the screen? Thank you so much for the roses, mama.
Jesus Christ.
Let me get the same one wheel to mommy.
Of Nazareth, Lord is here, Lord.
LD, don't come with that song there. Don't come with that song there, rascal.
What thing maybe girl laugh, yeah, God.
Meka, you say she draw one line for the pregnancy test?
Yes. You know, mommy,
Guys,
this is pregnancy test, you know. It line them, right? So, you know, it line them for close together, you know.
Alright.
Don't you
for close.
I'm going to show me, say, boy, one stick the down here, so. Draw one line like this.
Thank you, baby.
Guys, you know, push up a screen and ramp me. Me turn off the comment. We turn off the comment. No ramping me. No ramping me.
Call Zoe.
Oh, Titi for pregnant. And the day before Titi go when she did that down her yard. Titi asked Zoe.
One on use the other phone. Make Daniel use the other phone. Guys, use the other phone, quick.
Oh, Rochelle, your mama no cross it.
Come here.
Rochelle.
Mute them.
Rochelle.
Oh my God.
She did that way. She did ask me for tampon.
Thank you,
I don't know her
baby.
name, so.
Hold a black, yeah.
Oh
Me
my
start give a black and window
God.
now. Me start, you see some man who not
Guys,
get
when you
black and
come,
window
use the
and
double,
steel.
guys. Use the double.
Yeah, when I get black window and
Use the
steel
double
now.
chat.
Guys,
If a man, me I give a
use the
black window
double.
and
Thank
steel,
you,
you know.
Jonah. Use the
But,
double.
alright, watch out, watch your
Money
phone
gun.
now. After last night, me dey live, you know. I'm in no sleep yet. When you realize?
Last night, push up this.
The
No,
truth.
no.
For last night, me no sleep.